Whoa, how'd I land that? Anyways, sorry for not uploading last week. I forgot I had a YouTube channel. Not really, I was just really busy. But today I'm gonna be doing more reviews, but there's a slight twist this time. It'll be nature. A lot of weird looking birds around here. First up for review is this, well, I don't know what kind of tree it is, but I bet it looks nutritious, so we're just, not bad. Now I'm gonna try to find some water. I have a stick here. I think I can find a natural spring around here somewhere. Oh, hey, it's a little bit wet here. Oh yeah, that's good. The wind is it's pretty windy today. Next up for review is these fire starting rocks. I'm gonna just give it a try here. Wow, those work good. It's getting close to dinner time and I was really wanting some fresh meat, so I set a trap and I caught this squirrel. So it seems that the squirrel has befriended me, so the review on that was not great. Tinted would recommend going vegan. Next up for review, we're gonna check out the sturdiness of this tree here. I'm just gonna give it a good. It's pretty sturdy. Next up for review, I'm gonna see how quickly these flowers will bloom on these plants over here. Nice. Pretty good plant, grows pretty quick. That's pretty much all the nature I have to review being in this industrial city. That's all the time I got though. I gotta go, I can't really talk to you guys all day.